In the summer of 1945, World War II was drawing to a close. But in the Pacific, Japan fought on relentlessly. After the bloody battles of Iwo Jima and Okinawa, American leaders dreaded a full-scale invasion of Japan, fearing it could cost millions of lives on both sides. Faced with this grim prospect, President Harry S. Truman made a world-altering decision. With the support of military figures like General Leslie Groves and scientists from the Manhattan Project, including J. Robert Oppenheimer, the United States chose to deploy a new, terrifying weapon, the atomic bomb. On August 6, 1945, the first bomb, nicknamed Little Boy, was dropped on Hiroshima, a vital military and industrial center with a large civilian population. In an instant, a blinding flash of light and a mushroom cloud consumed the city. Between 70,000 and 80,000 people were killed immediately. By the year's end, the death toll had climbed to around 140,000 due to severe burns, injuries, and radiation sickness. Despite the unimaginable destruction, Japan did not surrender. So, 3 days later, a second bomb, Fat Man, was dropped on Nagasaki. The blast instantly killed an estimated 40,000 people, with the total reaching 70,000 by the end of 1945. The survivors, known as hibakusha, faced a lifetime of suffering, including chronic illnesses, increased cancer rates, and deep psychological trauma. Many also faced social discrimination due to fears surrounding radiation. These cities were chosen not just for their military significance, but also because they were relatively untouched by previous bombing campaigns. This allowed the U.S. to clearly measure the full, devastating impact of this new weapon. The message was clear and brutal. Just 6 days after the bombing of Nagasaki on August 15, 1945, Emperor Hirohito announced Japan's unconditional surrender, officially ending World War II. What followed is one of history's most remarkable stories of transformation. In the post-war years, the United States, once a bitter enemy, played a crucial role in Japan's reconstruction. Through financial aid and the establishment of democratic reforms, Japan didn't just rebuild, it thrived. It grew into a global economic powerhouse, renowned for its innovation in technology and manufacturing. The relationship between the U.S. and Japan also underwent a profound change. From the ashes of war, a powerful alliance was forged. Today, the two nations are close partners, sharing deep economic, military, and diplomatic ties. Their journey from enemies to allies stands as a powerful symbol of reconciliation and a lasting reminder of the complex legacies of war. Thanks for watching. If you found this piece of history interesting, be sure to like and subscribe for more stories that shaped our world.